the grading.
Oh no. Spread a little bit and yeah.
We got to like Como 3 nights ago and we realized we never updated you on where we went or how we got there.
From Munich, we took a train over.
We signed up for a class on Airbnb. I'll link it below. It was so much fun. It was teaching us how to make pasta, which neither of us have ever done. It was so good. Hands down the best pasta I've had.
So good.
We got the full authentic Italian experience. We stayed at our house. We had like beautiful views, unlimited wine. It was just perfect, and we met a lot of cool people.
From Israel, some from the United Kingdom, some from America, so it was really cool. Isn't this walkway so cool?
Look, it looks like a full on stay with a key and everything. Like medieval times. It's alright, like
It's a pirate, some more. You got your glasses on.
See, no, me too. When so I'm coming to visit you. So I'm staying with your dog.
Do you know a good baker?
That's gluten free, yes. Perfect. I don't add flour because I have to wait that everything is absorbed. If you understand the language of dough, it's easier than a man, so it's very simple. It's thinking is asking you for more flour. It's not okay.
They have done a wedding. They do a lot of destination.
Oh, how
weddings.
cool.
I think this is the best pasta I've ever had in my life.
Is it good?
It's insane.
Really good.
Not the prettiest one, but
It's just the right amount of salt, so y'all do
Yeah.
good. Whoever did that.
lovely.
Menaggio!
Yeah.
So now we're here. We had a breakfast this morning, our last breakfast. So sad. Every time we go home from this hotel, the older crowd is just still partying.
Playing some American songs in there.
And we're just laying in bed thinking we just got partied out by a bunch of older people. We took the bus all the way down here, had beautiful views of the way.
The only thing, if you do get anxious, that bus will get you, and the roads are barely big enough for even that bus to get through. Props to that bus driver.
Yeah. Geraldine Dobrin goes, he is stressful.
They're very stressful. Our train's just about to get here, and we're going to.
It is going to Milan, and we are taking the train from Milan to Venice, and we will see you in Venice.
See you guys.
Arrivederci.
Ciao.